easy arrangement of Impossible Germany today, done by Wilco. These are all going to be fairly basic chord shapes. We're not going to be doing the recorded version. So if that's what you're looking for, this is not that video. The song starts on A minor 7. And that's your first finger on the first fret, second string, and your third finger on the second fret, fourth string. And you're going to play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to go to a C, but we're going to play a modified C. We're just going to use, keep your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret, and then you're going to take your ring finger and put it on the fifth string, third fret. And we're going to just play strings 5 through 1. That's kind of like C major 7. So we're going to go now if you want to, you can put your pinky on the third fret, second string. And then you could take your pointer finger and put it on the second string, first fret, on the C. So then you're just getting a little you can add that in as you want to. So we're strumming along. A minor 7 that I showed you. Simple C. C. And when it goes to A minor 7, that's when the vocals start. Impossible Germany, unlikely Japan. G, E minor, full C, with your index finger on the first fret, second string. So then it goes back to A minor 7. I say what this means to me. I do what I can. G, Impossible Germany, unlikely Japan. So that's G to E minor to C. That's like one section of the song. The fundamental problem we all need to face. C. Then it goes into the section where it starts out the fundamental problem. We all need to face. This is important, but I know you're not listening. It stays on the C. Oh, I know you're not listening. Okay, so after that section where he ends by saying, oh, I know you're not listening, then it starts into the part where he goes, if this was still new to me, I wouldn't understand. But and then he goes into Impossible Germany, unlikely Japan. But this time he sings it over the G to E minor to C. Impossible Germany, unlikely Japan. So that's one of the cool things about this song is it totally flips the melody over the chord structure. The last section of the song begins with where he sings, "But this is what love is for." And that's on the A minor 7. But this is what love is for. C major 7, to be out of place. G, gorgeous and alone, face to face. C. Then it goes to A minor 7 again, with no larger problems. C major 7. Nothing more important. Someone's listening, and I know you'll be listening. Then the song goes into like an 8-minute guitar solo on the record, but I've seen Jeff Tweedy do this live, and then he goes to the happy part of the song. G, E minor, C, and then he sings, "This is my love song." This is my love song. And he repeats it like a few times, and then he ends the song on that. So that's a nice way to do it. Right, that's Impossible Germany, Unlikely Japan by Wilco. Hope you enjoyed it.